Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, how are you today? Before I start, what is your first thing when you hear porang planes? You don't know, do you? In fact, porang is a promising business and many benefits are now in big request. Because Indonesia are still foreign to this plane, I'm Milenia Rejana. I will discuss it in this page. Hundred years of porang have existed in this country. On the edge of a cliff, under bamboo groves, under duku trees, in groves, and in heavy forests, without any of us wanting to see it or be able to make use of it. It even becomes parasite and enemy for farmers who are pulled out and then turned into the riven because the solid of porang leaves that defeat vegetable crops. Since 1983, Japan comes to colonize this country. It is said that they are looking for spices like Europeans. So not are they looking for gold, but are looking for porang plants to feed the hundreds of thousands of Scots who are fighting in almost all of mainland Asia, like Korea, China, and others. The main food for Japanese people is not rice or white, but porang. Porang is one type of tuber that have a lot of glucosamine in the form of fruit, like this. But the process of processing porang into food is very secret by them. Why? Because if we are Indonesian people know how to process them, porang will into expensive and useful food, such as shirataki rice, konnyaku, shirataki noodles, and then they are worried that our porang will be consumed by themselves, and they will no longer be able to enter porang for their soy deals at home overseas. According to the story, when the porang transport freight was about to pass by bring porang collected from school children and field officials who were required to buy porang at the time. They sounded and the alarm so that the real people will take shelter or hide at home or in the caves. What is the goal? The goal is that the Indonesian people do not know that they are in a convoy of hundreds of troops bring porang to the harbor. So that until now our ancestry have never given it. Our children and grandchildren are processing porang, which they do not know. Japan and China, as consumers of porang, lately have a trouble stocking because of natural factor and the growing number of people who need porang. Even in 2014, they come to Indonesia to look for porang. Because, in fact, the center of the world's porang in Indonesia. Wow! In addition, this year the Food of Agriculture Organization saying that the world is in a state of food emergency. And Indonesia also feels the need to strengthen food security, so that one of them is porang, which is a replace which turned out to be 5 times better than rice. The needs of the world are large, said to have only already met by 5 to 10%, and the potential for hundreds of millions of Indonesia which one day will change for that from rice to food porang rice. Today, only celebrities, celebrants, officials, and rich people eat porang rice because the price is still very high, around 160,000 rupiah for 1 kilogram. However, porang national saying are optimistic that in 5 to 10 years, usual citizens will eat porang rice, which is very good for health. So, starting in 2019 yesterday, she started people to go crazy porang. Porang, who used to be wild plants, started to become idols. Porang plant is strategy to be developed besides being rich in benefit. This plant also has a large enough chance to be exported. Porang is exported overseas for industrial, health, food, and fitness. Porang can be alternative food besides rice. And then shirataki or porang has much less calorie than rice. Perfect for people who are on a diet. Congrats. Hundreds or even thousands of hectares of land have turned into porang land. Porang's income potential, which got hundreds of millions every hectare in the season. House-made entrepreneurs who have not looked at the world of farming have started to fight for opportunities to farm porang. Porang has become the prima donna and will probably continue to be the prima donna, considering porang is a basic need and industrial need. I hope the presence of porang can bring benefit to farmers and of course for those of you who want a promising business, try to plant this porang. Thank you. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.